The Indian state of Maharashtra will enter lockdown tonight. It's the epicenter of a surging virus outbreak across the country. More than 180,000 new infections have been confirmed, another record. Rebecca Bundan reports.
From 8 p.m. local time, very tight restrictions will come into force in India's financial capital Mumbai and the wider state for the next 15 days. Citizens will largely only be able to leave their homes if they work for services categorised as essential or to carry out necessary tasks such as buying groceries or seeking medical treatment. The local government has stopped short of calling it a lockdown, but these are lockdown-like restrictions that will be imposed. More than 4 people aren't allowed to gather in public, and public transport can only be used by essential workers. There was already a night curfew in effect, and since last week, places of worship, cinemas and non-essential shops had to shut in Maharashtra. There was also a full weekend lockdown. But given the sheer numbers of infections, with more than 60,000 new COVID-19 cases reported in 24 hours in the state, according to Wednesday's official numbers, local authorities are worried about the strain on the healthcare system. Maharashtra's Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray says that in some areas there are shortages of hospital beds, vaccines and oxygen. He even said that he would request the central government to help get oxygen supplies airlifted into the state with the help of the military. And that's why stricter curbs are being introduced. A lot of businesses, however, which were hit hard by India's nationwide lockdown last year, are worried about the economic impact of the move. Some migrant labourers are already leaving the cities again. India only recently emerged from a recession that was triggered by last year's COVID-19 restrictions. But ratings agency Moody's warns that the second wave of the virus could weaken this economic recovery. But for now, the government of Maharashtra is prioritising saving lives over livelihoods as it battles the latest COVID-19 surge. Rebecca Bundan, CNA, Mumbai.